Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use a custom background in Gmail. You can pick a theme to change your Gmail background. Choose from existing themes. On your computer, open Gmail. On the top right, click Settings, click Themes, click on a theme. You can make changes to some themes by clicking Text Background, Vignette, or Blur. Click Save. Use one of your photos as your background. To get started, make sure you've uploaded the image you want to use in a new or existing album in photos.google.com. On your computer, open Gmail. In the top right, click Settings, click Themes. In the bottom left, click My Photos, choose a picture, or click Featured. If your picture looks blurry, try uploading a larger size photo. Click Select. Near the bottom, to make changes to the theme, click Text Background, Vignette, or Blur. Click Save.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.